very, very big hit. Sweet, and out of the ground. That's a really big blow. Dangerous player.
Nothing wrong with the option from Grant Elliott, but right in the slot. He would have preferred the length to be a little shorter. It's the off cutter this time. Well, all power.
It's the longest boundary on the ground. And I've been here a few times, Scotty, you too. There's not very often you see them whistled out of the ground in that direction. That's a big hit when you consider where the pitch is on the block.
Yeah, I think it's bounced in the Maguire Rentals car park. Across the road there.
Need a car, Simon, do you?
Oh, no, it's property rentals, Ian.
Oh,
yeah, nothing to do with cars, mate. John and Vicky.
Okay.
Good people, though, must say. That looks like Ken Rutherford's truck, actually, as well.
I was going to say, as long as it's not Ian Smith's car.
No, not again. Couldn't have that.
The Rapper Racing Club.